Welcome back to the Masc Fortune Podcast. I'm O, founder of Masc Fortune, and this is where we talk about protection, wealth building, legacy, and building women. Today's episode starts with a simple but uncomfortable question. What happens if the breadwinner dies? Not next year, not 20 years from now, not when they're old. What happens if it happens tomorrow? It's not a question most people like to think about, but it's a question every provider should ask themselves. Because whether you're a parent, a business owner, helping support family, or simply someone that other people depend on financially, your income matters. And if that income suddenly disappeared, what would happen to the people who rely on it? Would the rent still get paid? Would the mortgage still get paid? Would the lights stay on? Would the kids still have what they need? Would your family have enough time to grieve without immediately worrying about money? Those are real questions. And unfortunately, many families don't ask them until they are forced to. One of the biggest misconceptions about life insurance is that it's only about death. But in reality, life insurance is about the people who are still here. It's about protecting the people you love from financial hardship during one of the hardest moments of their lives. Think about it. If a family loses their primary income earner, they're not just dealing with emotional pain. They're dealing with financial pressure too. Bills don't stop, debt doesn't disappear, groceries still need to be bought, cars still need gas, kids still need clothes, school supplies, and support. Life keeps moving even when the family wishes it could pause. And that's why protection matters. I've seen people spend more time planning a vacation than planning what would happen to their family financially if they weren't here tomorrow. Not because they're bad people, not because they don't care, but because they assume they have more time. The truth is, none of us know how much time we have. And that's exactly why planning matters. Protection isn't about fear. It's about responsibility. It's about love. It's about being able to say, if something happens to me, I don't want the people I care about carrying that burden alone. I think that's one of the most loving decisions a person can make. Not because it's something people post on social media, but because it's responsible. And responsibility isn't always flashy. Sometimes responsibility looks like preparing for something you hope never happens. One thing I especially want younger people to understand is that life insurance isn't just for older people. A lot of people in their 20s and 30s think they can wait. They think they'll get around to it later, after they buy a house, after they get married, after they have kids, after they make more money. But life doesn't always happen in the order we expect. Health can change, circumstances can change, opportunities can change. And that's why learning about your options early is so important. Even if you're not ready to make a decision today, there's value in becoming educated. Because when it comes to protecting your family, waiting until there's a crisis is rarely the best strategy. The people who depend on you today deserve the benefit of the planning you do today. And that's what this conversation is about. Not fear, not sales, not pressure, protection. Because when you truly care about the people in your life, you think beyond today. You think about their future too. So if there's one thing I want you to take away from today's episode, it's this. Ask yourself honestly, who depends on me? And if I didn't come home tomorrow, would they be financially protected? If the answer is yes, that's great. If the answer is no, maybe it's time to start learning more about your options. Thank you for listening to another episode of the Masc Fortune Podcast. If this episode helped you, share it with someone you care about. And if you'd like to learn more about protecting yourself or your family, feel free to connect with me. Until next time, keep building, keep growing, and keep protecting what matters most.